On today's episode of the Auto Garage, we're taking a deep look at the highly anticipated 2027 Chevrolet X1 Bel Air, a futuristic revival that blends classic American heritage with next-generation mobility. Chevrolet appears ready to reimagine the legendary Bel Air nameplate into a premium crossover-inspired grand touring vehicle designed for the electrified era. The first thing that stands out is the exterior design. The 2027 X1 Bel Air is expected to carry a sleek fastback silhouette with muscular proportions, ultra-thin LED lighting, illuminated Chevrolet badging, and aerodynamic body sculpting inspired by modern EV architecture. Designers are likely to combine retro Bel Air styling cues with futuristic surfaces, creating a vehicle that feels nostalgic yet unmistakably modern. Large aero wheels, frameless doors, and a panoramic glass roof could position this model directly against premium electric crossovers entering the market. Inside, Chevrolet is expected to focus heavily on digital luxury and intelligent comfort. The cabin will likely feature a fully curved panoramic display stretching across the dashboard, powered by an AI-driven infotainment system with voice learning capabilities and personalized driver profiles. Sustainable materials such as recycled leather alternatives, ambient lighting, open-pore wood accents, and advanced acoustic insulation may elevate the experience far beyond current Chevrolet interiors. Rear passengers could benefit from executive-style seating and immersive entertainment functions designed for future autonomous driving scenarios. Performance expectations are equally ambitious. Industry trends suggest the X1 Bel Air could arrive with both fully electric and extended-range hybrid configurations. Dual-motor all-wheel drive systems may deliver instant torque, smooth acceleration, and adaptive performance modes. Chevrolet's next-generation Ultium battery platform is expected to improve driving range, charging speed, and energy efficiency while supporting over-the-air software upgrades for long-term performance optimization. Safety and autonomy will play a major role in defining this vehicle. Advanced driver assistance systems could include enhanced Super Cruise hands-free driving, predictive collision monitoring, AI-assisted parking, and intelligent highway navigation. Real-time cloud connectivity and vehicle-to-infrastructure communication may allow the X1 Bel Air to interact with smart cities and evolving transportation networks. Compared to today's Chevrolet lineup, the 2027 X1 Bel Air represents a major leap toward premium electrified mobility. It targets drivers who want luxury, technology, sustainability, and iconic American styling in one forward-looking package. For future-focused buyers seeking something beyond traditional SUVs and sedans, the X1 Bel Air could become one of Chevrolet's most important next-generation vehicles. Presented by the Auto Garage.